there is a need to regulate the artificial intelligence on the context of the recently various prominent personalities have highlighted the need of regulating the artificial intelligence. The renowned personalities like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, Jaron Lanier have cautioned against an impending robot apocalypse which might come as a result of the artificial intelligence. Stephen Hawking had also highlighted that AI could destroy the humanity if we aren't proactive to avoid the risk of unfettered artificial intelligence. So, on this context, let us see the basics of artificial intelligence and also the significant impact that it makes, and also the examples of artificial intelligence in India and need for regulating the artificial intelligence also we will see, and also the various steps taken till now that have been taken to regulate the artificial intelligence, the steps till now that has been taken in the regulation of artificial intelligence, and also the challenges that are being faced in regulating the artificial intelligence. Let us discuss in this video. So, artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computers. It refers to ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making and executive tasks in real-time situations without constant supervision. Particular applications of AI includes expert systems, speech recognition, and machine vision. It encompasses machine learning, where machines can learn by experience and acquire skills without human involvement. It has the potential to overcome the physical limitations of the capital and labor and open up new sources of value and growth. It has potential to drive growth by enabling intelligence automation, that is, ability to automate complex physical world tasks, and also the innovation diffusion, that is, propelling the innovations throughout the economy. And also it has a big role in the social development and also inclusive growth. Access to quality healthcare facilities, addressing the location barriers, providing the real-time advisory to farmers and help in increasing the productivity, building smart and efficient cities, etc. The exponential growth of data is constantly feeding AI improvements. If we look at the AI examples in India, a statement of intent has been signed between Niti Aayog and IBM to develop precision agriculture using artificial intelligence in aspirational districts. Microsoft India is using AI sensors to make farming and healthcare smarter. So what has been, with a good intent in use, what has been the need for regulating the artificial intelligence? There are ethical concerns. With popularization of the new technology, its virtues are not guaranteed. For instance, the internet made it possible to connect with anyone and get information from anywhere, but also easier for misinformation to spread. There are real concerns about the potential negative consequences of artificial intelligence, from deep fakes to nefarious use of facial recognition technology. And also, with coming to the data management, there is a lack of clarity of data flow and the data ownership, which might be result into data colonialism. Data generated by developing countries are not yet befitting them. Further, the data collection for feeding the AI algorithms has its associated privacy concerns like mass surveillance and so on. AI could contribute to the forgery of documents, pictures, audio recordings, videos, and online identities, which can and will occur with unprecedented ease. And also, when coming to its biasedness of the companies, the algorithms used in the artificial intelligence are discrete, and in most cases trade secrets. They can be biased. For example, in processing of self-learning, they can absorb and adopt the stereotypes that exist in the society or which are transferred to them by the developers and make decisions based on them. And also, coming to the accountability part, if an AI system fails at its assigned task, someone should be made responsible for it. Example, like an anti-terrorism facial recognition program revoked the driver's license of an innocent man when it confused him for another driver. Similarly, when any AI algorithm takes a decision related to social dimensions, it is crucial and is taken on a transparent parameters. These AI algorithms can and do make decisions that create significant and serious issues in people's lives. And also, its super intelligence of the artificial intelligence is that A sufficiently intelligent AI system can redesign itself or can create a better successor system, and so on, leading to an intelligence explosion. It is crucial to ensure this superintelligence will be good to humankind, and that will depend upon its technological capabilities and ethnicality. When coming to its various steps till now taken in the regulation of artificial intelligence, first thing we have to see is the OECD principles on artificial intelligence adopted by 42 countries, including the OECD members and non-members. And also the United States AI strategy has so far been led by corporations such as Google, Microsoft, who are focusing on self-regulation and rapid technological development. Google published their own AI principles to help guide ethical development and use of the technology. Also in January 2020, the US has issued broader set of draft principles for federal agencies' treatment of artificial intelligence. When coming to the European Union, the Communications on Artificial Intelligence document, which among other issues outlines the need to have an ethical and legal framework in its place. In China, it launched its new generation AI development plan and currently soliciting submissions from AI experts to develop its own governance principles. United Kingdom has developed the Center for Data Ethics and Innovation and the Office for AI. When coming to the India, the status of India in this regard is the National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence Niti Aayog has identified 5 areas where AI can be useful. It has noted that lack of regulation around AI has a major weakness for India. Center for Excellence in Artificial Intelligence COE in AI by National Informatics Center NIC, which is a platform for innovative new solutions in AI space, a gateway to test and develop solutions for AI projects undertaken by NIC at central and state level. So these are the following regulations that has been taken in the towards regulating the AI. What are the challenges in regulating artificial intelligence are? Excessive regulation. Since the AI is still in its preliminary stages, some critics believe that excessively strict regulation is neither necessary nor desirable. Such a trend might discourage the needed research in the development of this field, and also the lack of consensus among the countries over the mechanisms and tactics in regulation of AI. Conflict of interests. There are doubts over how regulators will use AI, which will provide greater certainty for regulated entities. For example, regulators might themselves use AI to identify violations within a massive set of compliance data. Absence of widespread expertise in AI technologies could lead to policy decisions being taken based on a narrow spectrum of opinions. There are large gaps in data collection, preparation, and benchmarking capabilities. Lack of predictability in algorithms taking over the social functions must be predictable to those they govern. The local specific behavior of an AI may not be predictable apart from its safety, even if the programmers do everything right. So, what is the need of the hour is international agencies could be guided by an Asilomar AI principles by Future of Life Institute, a non-profit organization, which are 23 guidelines for the research and development of AI. I am repeating once again, the Asilomar AI principles by the Future of Life Institute, a non-profit organizations, which are 23 guidelines for the research of AI development. So let us look at what are these Asilomar AI principles. That is research. They are divided into 3 sections: research, ethics and value, and long-term issues. In coming to the research goal, research funding, scientific policy link, research culture and race avoidance, ethics and value, safety, failure transparency, judicial transparency, responsibility, value alignment, human values, personal privacy, liberty and privacy, shared benefit, shared prosperity, human control, non-subversion, AI arms race. In the long-term issues, the capability caution, importance risks, recursive, self-improvement and common good. So these are the Asilomar principles regarding the following sections. Why there is a need for a responsible AI. Resolutions can be bought to regulate the robotics, and the code of ethical conducts can be bought for robotic engineers as well as researchers in ethics committees. Following set of ethical principles could be adopted, like minimizing the biasedness and arresting the inequalities and discrimination arising out of it. Robots should act in the best interest of the humans. Human interactions with robots should be voluntary, and ensuring the equitable benefits to all. AI systems should be made legally liable for their actions, through making their programmers and users accountable. Regulations must be continuous and adapt with evolution of technology. There is a need to find country-specific data, trained workforce, fine-tuned algorithms, and technology suited to local needs. So this is the need of the hour in regulating the AI.